Alfred. I'm at the warehouse. No sign of Catwoman's contact.
Docks auf der Ostseite, 1844.
The sound of an ambush. Stay on guard.
Und somit herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Folge Batman The Telltale Series, Episode 1. Benutze W, um die Tür zu öffnen. So. Drückt halt. Oh mein Gott. Was ist hier passiert?
This wasn't a handoff.
War keine Übergabe, das war ein Massaker.
How many?
Wie viele?
I'd have to count the pieces.
Oh, good lord. Who could have done such a thing?
That's what I'm gonna find out.
Gordon, Eastside Docks, Warehouse 133.
Oh, nee, Innereien hier. Ja, komm jetzt.
Analyzing. It's a volatile chemical. Potential psychoactive nerve agent. Vile stuff.
Be very, very careful with that. Who knows what effect it may have.
Have the computer catalog the compound for further analysis.
As you wish.
Nothing left to bury.
Ah, cool. Also nee, Hä? Ah. Oh man.
Whatever exploded did so with enough force to obliterate the person standing next to it. But the chemicals themselves were inert, non-explosive.
Well, it appears to have made a pretty big boom.
I'll see what I can piece back together.
So. Also das Spiel ist echt genial umgesetzt. Wirklich großes Lob an Telltale Games.
Same mercs that broke into City Hall.
Erstmal untersuchen.
The canister exploded, sending shrapnel right through the container door.
For once, I'm glad you arrived after the heist. Your armor wouldn't have protected you against that.
Ja.
Wahrhous. Falcone's calling card.
He's been busy as of late.
Send the drones hunting. I want to know his every move.
Good thinking, sir.
Toter Verbrecher.
That bad?
Auge raus. Aua.
Face slashed. Throat torn open.
So, not natural causes then.
Skyline Club.
Falconis Zeichen, eindeutig. Boah.
This man's been badly burned, but the damage seems to originate from inside his skull. What did this?
Nein.
Sensors say it's an incendiary round. Phosphorus residue. This could have superheated the contents of the canister.
Causing the aforementioned boom.
Blood, broken nails, bits of human flesh. A cop shredded this merc to pieces, barehanded.
God, what would cause someone to do that?
The nerve agent could make them psychotic. Don't think so. No proof.
Ach, da gibt's ja noch mehr.
It's a cop. The force grows thinner every day. Canisters were stored here. Canisters of what? Something was here when the explosion occurred.
Na super. Ich kann nicht mal... So, dann machen wir das mal auf.
Looks like a bullet started
Sieht aus,
this.
als hätte eine
A normal
Kugel.
bullet couldn't have caused that explosion.
Doesn't appear normal. The point of entry's melted.
Ah ja. Komm, renn mal. Hä? Ach Mann. So.
Find a connection.
The bullet that killed the cop is the same type that blew up the canister.
Well, I'm sure they didn't find that at a local gun store.
It appears military.
Aber was muss ich denn das noch verbinden? Ja. Ich glaube ja nicht, dass das zusammenhängt. Aber ist das Einzige, was noch offen ist.
Someone drove off after the explosion.
Have you put it together?
Yes. Falcone leaving his rose here. This is a message. Dead cops, stolen chemicals. He's making a big move. One of his snipers hit a canister with an incendiary bullet, causing it to superheat and explode. This may have been a distraction or a way of destroying evidence. Cops moved in to stop the theft. Falcone's men gunned him down. Then things turn grim. Possibly due to the psychoactive nerve agent. A cop ripped up a merc's face with his bare hands. And was put down. Same sniper, same type of bullet. Looks like Falcone's men got what they wanted and escaped.
Have you located the shooter?
No, but based on 2 impact trajectories, the canister and the dead cop, the shooter could only have a clear shot from there, or there. And would have contaminated himself with the phosphorus residue. Program the skimmers to pick up that signature.
Right away, sir.
Both targets could have been shot from here, but no phosphorus trace.
Okay, dann gehen wir mal darüber. Was kommt da raus? Phosphorspuren. Somit hätten wir
Phosphorus spike. Clear vantage point. We have a winner.
und Handabdrücke. Gut. Oh.
Killing time. This is the right spot. So where did he go? Trace stops here.
Then he should be nearby.
Found him.
Time to go to work. My turn. Don't make me add your corpse to this graveyard. Falcone, why did he do this?
I ain't telling you nothing! You can't make me talk! I ain't telling you jack! You trying to scare a confession out of me? I won't break!
Your bones will.
Komm.
It's true what they said about you. You're a freaking animal. But I ain't afraid of you.
You know you can bleed to death without ever spilling a drop. All on the inside. Tell me the plan, or I start swinging.
I ain't scared of you, man.
Tell me!
The Catwoman was supposed to hand over a drive, had the container number we needed, but she flaked. So we had to find it ourselves. Container by container. Someone must have heard us, called the cops. We were told no witnesses.
Why risk open war with the GCPD?
Some kind of chemicals. Falcone wanted them.
What are the chemicals for?
We were paid to steal them, not ask questions.
Hä? Nee, ich will doch nicht.
I start here and keep breaking until you answer.
The chemicals! There's some kind of explosive! A weapon! I don't know! Falcone said he'd use them soon!
Used where?
That's all I know! I swear! I swear! I told you everything I know!
You're an animal! I was just here for a pickup! I swear! You're fat!
You'll never hold a gun steady again.
Oh, God.
Jesus Christ. These are cops. Get an ambulance in here!
Think I need to call the coroner instead.
Er ist noch zu froh, mit Gordon zu reden.
I was wrong. Gonna need that ambulance, too. The hell's going on tonight, Lieutenant?
Batman.
You're taking this too far, Bruce.
War vielleicht eine falsche Entscheidung.
You assume the persona of a bat, but you're not an animal. You nearly killed a man tonight. Your parents didn't raise you this way. And neither did I.
He's still alive, isn't he?
And in the hospital. Next time, it might be the morgue. Especially now, during this preposterous attack on your family. You must show the world the true nature of a Wayne.
Giving everything to the city and then being murdered for it?
My thoughts exactly. Every time you leave this cave.
Sie dürfen Menschen umbringen, aber ich darf ihnen nicht wehtun, oder wie?
Just like your parents.
Verstehe ich nicht.
Don't lose that. I don't mean to be a doddering old fool on the subject, but as a friend, the burden of advice falls on me.
Who my parents were, the life they led, Gotham revered them. I could never match that.
You won't. You will far surpass them. You bury the person, Bruce, but you never bury the memory.
Sometimes I wish I could. That night, that alleyway, it made me who I am. I can't get it out of my head.
That is your gift and your curse. Being Batman can allow you to turn back the tide of treachery that's reached this city's shores, or drown you in its sorrow. When you doubt your fate, remember why you started all this. Remember that boy in the alley.
I won't forget.
Neither will I. Well, back into the fray again.
Ja. Leute. Wir schauen den Kodex an. Und haben einen neuen Eintrag. Oswald Cobblepot alias Penguin. Ach so. Okay. Ach ja, ja. Cobblepot, ja, genau. Ist der Mr. Penguin, genau. Verbrechen, Waffenhandel, illegale Boxkämpfe, Erhalt gestohlene Eigentums. Er war ein Jugendfreund, aber jetzt ist er für mich beinahe ein Fremder. Auch seine Familie fiel hier in Gotham auseinander. Er besuchte ein Internat in England und dort trennten sich unsere Wege. Er scheint auf die schiefe Bahn geraten zu sein. In den letzten 2 Jahrzehnten hat er sich ein langes Vorstrafenregister und einen seltsamen Spitznamen zugelegt. Der Penguin. Was ist mit dir geschehen, Oz? So. Ich weiß nicht, wenn es gespeichert wird. Gotham East. Korruptionsgerüchten beschmutzen Vermächtnis der Familie Wayne. Seit langer Zeit gelten die Waynes als ein von Gothams angesehenes Familien. Neue Vorwürfe bringen jedoch das Oberhaupt der Familie Dr. Thomas Wayne und seine Frau Martha in Verbindung mit den illegalen Machenschaften der Mafia-Familie Falcone. Sollten sich diese bewahrheiten und eine Untersuchung der aktuellen Praktiken dieser erforderlich machen, könnte das schwindelerregende Wayne-Vermögen, welches auf Milliardenhöhe geschätzt wird, von den Behörden beschlagnahmt werden. Dies wäre ein schwerer Schlag für Bruce Wayne, den Erben, der dem Beispiel seines Vaters gefolgt ist und das Geld für philanthropische Zwecke einsetzt. Dennoch, Dr. Wayne wurde vor 2 Jahrzehnten zufälliges Opfer von Straßenkriminalität. Obwohl Wayne die Anschuldigungen nicht kommentiert hat, traf er sich im Anwesen der Familie Wayne in Gotham City mit Carmine Falcone, dem Oberhaupt der Mafia-Familie Falcone, was die Spekulationen nur zusätzlich befürworten. Batman kämpft auf Rathaus mit maskierter Gaunerin. Ein gewagter Überfall auf das Büro des Bürgermeisters Hamilton Hill endete letzte Nacht in einer massiven Schlägerei zwischen Batman und einer maskierten Einbrecherin, die von der Polizei Catwoman getauft wurde. Der Kampf fand sein jähes Ende in einem schockierenden Sturz von einer Seitenfassade des Gebäudes, der Catwomans Schicksal ungeklärt lässt. Ihre Söldnermannschaft konnte jedoch von den Behörden in Gewahrsam genommen werden. Weder das Gotham City Police Department noch Repräsentanten der Hill-Administration haben enthüllt, ob oder was aus dem Büro des Bürgermeisters entwendet wurde. Trotz des Ausgangs stellte sich die Frage, ob Batman die Einbrecherin hat laufen lassen. Wir können unsere Sicherheitsbelange nicht auf anonyme Leute in Verkleidung auslegen, sagte Commissioner Peter Gordon von Gothams Polizei. Man kann nie wissen, auf welcher Seite sie wirklich stehen. Das ist allerdings wahr. So, ich weiß eben nicht, wann das Spiel gespeichert wird, ehrlich gesagt. Ja, wir machen jetzt noch den Bat-Computer.
Looks like that egg finally cracked. And inside, Mayor Hill was hiding more than I could have imagined. This is a complete manifest of Carmine Falcone's criminal organization.
What in the world was Hill doing with all this? Illegal arms dealing, drug running, mob hits, money laundering? Falcone's been involved in everything.
This is an insurance policy. Hill could expose Falcone if he didn't play along.
That would explain why he's never made a move against him.
Sure as hell better than any bodyguard. This is it, Alfred. With this proof, we can finally knock out Falcone's organization.
Okay.
How would we possibly begin to dismantle it?
This is a police matter.
There's only one cop we can trust to handle this evidence correctly.
Lieutenant Gordon. He could mobilize the entire police force against Falcone.
What about that reporter from the Gazette?
Vicky.
Yes, Miss Vale. She could release this evidence through proper channels. I suppose it comes down to who you want to help most. Or who you think could do the most good.
Vicky.
Vicky showed faith in me. She cares about the truth. She'll get the story out the way it needs to be told.
A wise decision, sir. We'll attack Falcone on 2 fronts tonight. Vicky through the media, and Batman...
By any means necessary. Whatever Falcone is planning, it ends tonight.
He's a spider, Bruce. Eyes everywhere. A dense web of goons poised to trap you. No one has ever managed to bring him down.
I haven't tried yet.
So, und damit verabschiede ich mich. Danke fürs Dabeisein und bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao, ciao.